You will just go to your search. You will search for code to play. This is it here. This is it here. Code to play. Let's click on it. Okay, so this is now HTML code play. This one here. So HTML code play. Now click on it. In this app, you can use it to learn code and HTML. So you are going to download it. After you download it, you will click on it. This app, as I say, all these apps I'll be showing you, they don't use data. You can use everything to learn coding. This one particular, you can use it to learn coding, HTML, CSS, any the coding, but any codings that are mostly like HTML, you can use them to learn. It's okay. Okay, now this is it. When you will just click on learn here, click on it. Now when you click on these are words, you can use them to learn, and it has the example. So HTML like this. Now this is in this place. You can write what is called it. You can write HTML coding, and now you will click on the output. This is it. So this is now you write it, and you also have, and this, mind you, what I'll be showing you, there are things that they have their predicting. This is that they can assist you in this one. So let's just write style. I just want to show you that, so you should say that you can write it body. No, this is many ones. You just look at it here. Now output. Are you seeing it? So this is it. So this is the code here, and then you'll be thinking that okay, where do I want to learn here? This is it. So for HTML, it has 138 base. It has 138 learning examples. So you click on there, and also descriptions. What this is, it can use one of Guinea for example. So now this is here. You just click on the Guinea. You see what it did there. So you will look at the coding. Okay, how do I do it? So this is it like this now. So now and in this place, so you can also learn, yes, you can also learn JavaScript there. So this for JavaScript, see display alert. So now also it has 150. So this one is even more plenty, and likewise others too. So now let me be showing you the second one. Now I'll be showing you the second one. The second one I'll be showing you now. Let's click on it. So now the second one is HTML editor. HTML editor. This one here. So now you click on it. Now this is the app I'll be showing you. Now this one. This app you can use it to code it for HTML. I've downloaded, so you to download it or click open. Now this is it. You can code there. So this is. So these are the apps. So you can code many codings there, but now I'll be telling you the limitation of it too. Now these apps, this one like this now, where this app is limited to is that it cannot, it's hard for you to input image there, and also this app is just for those who want to, is good for those who want to create, maybe you want to create just one page website. Is good for you. But if it gets to many people that want to create a complex one, this one is not good for you, and I'm going to show you the one that is best for you. And also see now in this one, what makes this one good and that one is that it predicts. See, it gives you the type. Which one do you want? Is it issue? Is it H what? It will give you H1, H2, H3, H4. You click H4, and when you are done, you have to close it. Unlike that one, then you press all your things there. Now see there. So now let me show you the third one. The third one now I'll be showing you too is what we call code editor. Sorry. Code studio. Now this is the app. Now code studio, this is the app. Next one I'll be showing you. Now even this app, those ones that create the HTML editor, they're also the ones who that create these ones too. This one now is more than you can use it to create. Look at what you can use it to create: JavaScript, CSS, HTML, web project, Java is safe, and others. Now you be saying that's the difference between this one and that one. That one you can only use it to create HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but this one web project, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So now this one now, like as this one is now, you can use it to create more than one pages. But what does happen is that to be able to create more than one pages app, you have to go to Premium. Now you see the Premium like this, multiple tabs, more than two. So it's the Premium. Maybe if you can buy the Premium, but I will advise you not to buy the Premium because there's other apps that you can use. So now this one too, is it Java you want to create? You move here, Java project, then you just click on your package, then create. You will press cancel. The reason why I press cancel is because so that when you press cancel, if you press open, the one you have been coding before will leave, but if you press cancel, every one of them will still be there. So now this is it. So that means the mistake there. So now let me show you the fourth one. The fourth one now, this fourth one is for those who are using Python. They are for, I'm to show you for those who are using HTML and Java. Now I'll be showing you Python. Now I'm still going to cover every other apps in this one video. So now for the Python, this is just click on PyTorch3. So this is like this. Now this is the PyTorch3. You need to update it, boss. When we found it, let me just open it on my phone. PyTorch3 ID. So now this is PyTorch3. So now let's click on it. This one is for those who are using Python. Now I just say print. Hello world. Now when you press finish, just click on here and you see it's hello world program finish. So this is just the basics. And also see you can also create more than can you import. Now you'll be thinking that okay, as for me now, if I want to import, how will I import? Where will I download the pips? Now it's not just that. Just move to pip. Then in this place now you will see it quick installer. Things you can install, this is it. So when you press on install, maybe you want to install Pillow, you press on install, then it will take you to where you can install it. So now my own, now because I've not updated my own, so and other things, so that's what happened. So normally it also take you to Play Store, so you will download it on Play Store. So now let's move to the last one. Now this last one, the last one now, the fifth one. This 51 is the one that you can use to that covers everything. And I can advise you that you should download that 51, because on that one you can create JavaScript, numerous of coding. Can you code there, both HTML and that one is also like, if we say that we use Visual Studio for those who are using PC. It's like the Visual Studio for Android, and I'll be writing name. Now that's spec editor. Now this is it. This one, we click on it. Now you can think now, okay, what's special? This is the app like this. Now let me open it now. What's special on this app, what make this app very special is that it can code all those codings that others can code. And not only that, it can code all those coding, it can also do what this app, as this app is, you can use this app, it has an AI that you can use. This is the AI like this now. Companion, you just click on an AI companion, then sign in with Google. So then it will do all these things, then you just use the account, and then it will show you how to do. So now this, if you want to make this, so now this is all what I've coded. Like I said, like this now, you can make what is called, you see this one are just a project on its own that I'm just using to play. So this is like this now. If you open it on PC, so this is how the PC is going to look like. So now this admin is on PC, I would have make it bigger, so you can use to do one open contact page, location page, home page. You see now this one is creating many pages. All those ones they cannot do it, but the one to there's the one, the first one I show you can also do it. But what just can also make a page with numerous of email. But what happens is just that it does not predict like others do. Like say this one like now, this one predicts for you. So this is it, you can click on it, it has this, it has class. So instead of you cracking, and also if you want to make me div times 3 as an expert, times hash 3, now you want many pages because maybe you want to create calculator now, and you need something like all this. How will you do it? You need tab. It will seem like there's no tab. This place here, you see this place is the tab, this place is the tab. So you just click on it, that's the tab there, you see, like hash. So that's the tab there, so you can use it for everything. So now you okay, now your next question is just that how you want to create many. Okay, now so the question you may have asked now that okay, now if I want to create numerous coding here, how will I do it? It's easy. Now you just click on this place, any page you want to create. Now as you all know, for those who are creating HTML, you will just present it dot html, then if you open HTML code, if it's css dot style, if it's js dot js. But maybe for example now, the code you want, you don't know the basic name, you want to see all the coding you can code, just press one name that you want to use, then press ok. Now when you press ok, what you have here is a text page. No, is a normal text page, but now how to change your text page to a coding page is just something that is easy. Now let's just write something down. Now okay, now so what we just do is just press this place. So when you press, just click on this place. Now you will see something here like this text, so you click on the text there. So let's click on it. Now when you click on this text, it means that you want to change the language. Now you will see the numerous of languages have here. This is them Ruby, you see Python is there, PowerShell is there. If it's PowerShell, you click on PowerShell. If it's PHP, you click on it. Code for JavaScript, Java. So any ones you want there, you will do what? You click on them. C plus, CSS. Then when you click on them, you just press OK. Now your coding has changed to what? That means you are coding what? C hash hash. To know that you are coding C hash hash, you see everything there will change. So now if you want to be sure that you are coding CSS, it's going to bring down here that you are coding what? CSS. And if it's CSS, so you click on it. So now that's all about today. So please, I would like you to do what? Please don't forget to subscribe on the channel, as I'll be showing you more info. And after this video, I'll be releasing on that video, which is how to be using your data on airplane mode. Maybe you want to avoid some calls and you want to be online, you don't want to, because of those person, be stay offline. But you can put your phone on airplane mode and then do what, still be using data. People will see that if you are using data, but still they will be calling you, will just be bringing you a shape. And even if you want to call them, it will not even go, because you are on airplane mode. And I'll be showing you 2 steps on that one, the way you can the way you can put your phone in airplane mode and still be using your data, and the way you will not put your phone in airplane mode. And people, you can even show them now, look at, I'm calling him, he's not going. You will be pressing card, you will not be going, but still your data will be moving. So please, please subscribe on this channel so that you can gain more on the app people. Thanks for watching this video. I believe that this video, I believe it will make you, as from now on, you will start to be coding on your phone. So thank you everyone.